Good afternoon, class. Today I will be explaining the importance of personal protective devices and how to maintain them in good condition for computer use. Are you both ready to learn? Start with, let me ask you some questions. First, what are personal protective devices? Yes, they are. Please stand up.
Personal protective devices are equipment or accessories that are used to protect individuals from potential hazards while working with computers. They include items like gloves, safety glasses, wrist supports, and anti-static wristbands.
Okay, you may sit now. Very good. Okay, second question. Why do we need to use personal protective devices? Yes, Angel.
Personal protective devices are important because they help prevent injuries and protect us from potential hazards. For example, gloves protect our hands from cuts or burns. Safety glasses protect our eyes from dust or debris. And wrist supports help prevent and repeatedly strain injuries.
Yes, they are.
How can we maintain personal protective devices in good condition?
Okay, good question. To maintain personal protective devices in good condition, here are some tips. First, gloves. Clean regularly with mild soap and water and allow to air dry. Avoid exposing them to excessive heat or chemicals. Second, safety glasses. Clean with a soft cloth and lens cleaner. Store them in a protective case when not in use to prevent scratches. Third, wrist supports. Clean them with a damp cloth and mild detergent. Avoid bending or squatting them excessively and to maintain their shape. Fourth, anti-static wristbands. Keep them clean and dry. Avoid stretching or pulling them forcefully.
Thank you for explaining, ma'am. I understand now.
You're welcome. It's important to prioritize safety and take care of our personal protective devices to ensure their effectiveness. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.
Ma'am, how often should we replace our personal protective devices?
That's a good question. Personal protective devices should be replaced when they become damaged, worn out, or are no longer providing adequate protection. It's important to regularly inspect them for any signs of wear and tear.
Ma'am, can we share personal protective devices with others?
It's generally recommended to use your own personal protective devices to ensure proper hygiene and fit. Sharing personal protective devices can increase the risk of contamination of discomfort. It's best to have your own set of personal protective devices.
Thank you for your help, ma'am.
Thank you for information, Mom.
You're both welcome. Remember, safety first when working with computers. If you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to ask. Keep up and great work.